Let's eat breakfast. This is my salad, vegetable salad, guys. And the leftover igado. And that's my husband.
Try again in a few seconds.
Breakfast, egg and papaya. So drink water. Okay, let's eat. Kain tayo, guys. Breakfast. I won't show you my husband, guys, because don't have shirts. So oh, it's a power interruption again. I'm gonna use my hands, guys. Eating. Let's eat. Always power interruption. Okay, non-stop.
How about no cutoff today?
Just now, guys, power interruption. No electric. Maybe just a few seconds only. Kain tayo. It's healthy. Vegetable salads, healthy. This is tops of string beans. Still not back on. Not every breakfast, guys, I'm eating rice, only if I have vegetable salad or leftover from last night. So I eat rice in breakfast. Just like this one, we have the igado leftover. The power is still out. Kain muna kami, guys. My husband is there. Hi, guys. We're just chilling inside the room because what time is it? It's 10:17. We're just chilling before, I think that's the one who's noisy, before I cook our lunch. We did walking exercise this morning, guys, but when I start editing the video, I found out that we're using this one, guys. We're using this. But the problem was the video that's saved on this one, it's not, it can't play. It's failed to play. I don't know what's the problem. I don't know if the memory card or the camera. So failed. Know how much we bought this one? It's not a good quality, guys. This camera is not a good quality. So maybe later on we need to upgrade. That's why for now we're using the phone. At least I have, it's a good thing I have a lot of memory built-in memory on my phone. So we're using a phone right now. And the previous vlog, because the first time that I tried this one, I already found out, I already noticed that it looks like it won't, it's not a good quality, guys. The video, I don't know, we wasted money to bought on this one, but it is what it is. It's a GoPro. This actually this is not super expensive, guys. We only test this one, or we just only try this one. That's why because there's a lot of good reviews, but for us it's not a good quality. So I don't want to mention the brand, guys, but this is how it looks. This is how it looks like that. It's a USB connector on charging. It's a USB connector. So it's only for extra now. I don't know. So ayun, guys. Today we don't have much schedule. We're just chilling right now. So next just watching TV,
watching the news, see what's crazy going on in the U.S. Thank God I'm here. These people are crazy. Things are going out of hand in the U.S.
It's because of the near election coming.
It's everything. It ain't about the election. It's about everything. It's life. Fighting about the same stuff we fought for the last 50 years. Nobody does nothing.
Okay, guys. He is emotional.
Emotional.
My husband is emotional about what he's seen on the news, American, US news, or international news, or how do you call it? Is that a fax, honey? You are watching most of the time about news. It's a fact news. It's a fax news. So nagluluto lang ako, guys, ng fried chicken for my husband's lunch. And me, I don't know, maybe I just still eat the leftover. I'm not hungry much. Guys, luto tayo ng pork with cabbage. Gigisa ko lang yan, guys, sa kamatis. Ito yung food ng aking brother. I'm gonna cook it for him. Then ito naman, guys, ang lutuin ko para kay husband. I just gonna cook fried chicken for him and making a salad. I'm start cooking now because it's getting I don't know what time is it already, maybe 10:30 now. So ayun, guys. Tapos gawa ako ng partner or side dish ni husband. A salad, cucumber, and lettuce with tomato. Start cooking na, guys, the cabbage. Then natin yung laman. We just settle for maybe 5 minutes. Tapos balikan natin, guys. Medyo brown na siya, guys. Brown na siya. Then, we put some pepper. Lagyan natin ng pepper, guys. Pepper. Smell good na. Smell good. We're gonna make it still a bit brown, guys. Then we put fish sauce. Medyo brown na siya. So, pwede na natin ilagay yung kamatis, tomato. Put the tomato na. Haluin lang natin, guys. We just mix. This is a simple dish only, guys, for cabbage. So, pwede na natin lagyan, guys, ng fish sauce. Pwede na natin lagyan, guys, ng fish sauce. Ang balasa. Just a small amount of that. Lagyan natin ng konting. We just add small amount of water. Then we're gonna put some halik sarap a bit. Just a little. Ang palasa. Then settle lang natin siya. Mag-set kumulo ng konti. Then balikan natin, guys. Tapos kumukulo na siya, guys. Tikman natin kung may lasa na siya. Sarap na, guys. So, it's time to put the cabbage. Lagyan na natin yung cabbage. It's the cabbage. Saluin lang natin, guys, ito. Hanggang sa kumulo ng konti. 2 minutes. Then, ready na. It's ready already. We just leave it for 2 minutes. Kasi cabbage naman yan, guys. So, no need to overcook. The cabbage that I am cooking, that's for my brother, and I'm gonna cook a fried chicken for Art and making a salad. Maybe I'm not eating rice because I asked my husband to buy me ensaymada, ube ensaymada. So this is my lunch. Yummy. Yeah, ensaymada. So this is my lunch. I don't want to eat rice because I had rice this morning. So, just a bread and ensaymada for now. And this is, guys, the ingredients that I've been making for my husband dressing. Wala akong lemon ngayon, so maybe I'll use the calamansi. I have calamansi there. So that's the ingredients, guys. I'm putting a little of apple cider, mayonnaise, honey, and mustard. So, ayun guys. This is yummy, guys, for salad dressing. Mix nyo lang siya, guys, na ganyan. It's really yummy. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa dressing salad ni husband, guys. Ito ang kanyang dressing. And we start frying na his chicken, guys. His lunch, start cooking na. So, this is it. Okay, guys. So, right now, guys, I am frying the fried chicken for husband food for lunch. And that's it for today, guys. That's for today. Chill lang kami dito sa bahay. We're not going somewhere because it's really hot. Still hot, guys. So, chill lang muna kami dito. So, yun. I'm just waiting. Just cooking, guys. The lunch of my chicken or the food of my husband. Nasa kwarto siya ngayon. Yun lang yung ganap. Wala kaming ganap today, guys. Wala kaming ganap. So, init ka kasi, guys, oh. Look how shiny outside. Oh, it's really shiny. Yung ganap namin today, wala masyado. Kaninang umaga, we just went to the beach, and what we did is we just had our walking exercise, guys. Pero nag-film ako, but the camera that I was using, or the camera that I used, was not working. Corrupt, guys, yung video, so it wasn't playing the video. Yun yung ganap today. Wala masyadong ganap. Stay lang sa bahay. Chill sa loob ng kwarto kasi there is an aircon inside the room. So I don't know, guys, when is our next trip. Let's see if we can go to Claveria this weekend. So let's see, guys. Or maybe karaoke. I don't know. Let's see. It depends on my husband's condition, guys, because mostly sumasakit yung dito niya. It's always had his back's always sore. This time he experienced that condition, so I don't know, guys. So that's for today. Today's video is us. That's for our day vlog. It's just a daily vlog, or that's only for today's video, guys. A small video or a short videos only tayo. So yun guys, please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next one. Bye! Ito na guys, yung pagkain ni husband. Salad and fried chicken. Kain tayo guys.